Hey, fellow explorers, I'm thrilled to take you on a journey like no other. Get ready to unlock the secrets of the globe with TBS Global Travel. Imagine standing atop the frosty peaks of the Himalayas, breathing in the crisp, pure air. Now, picture yourself wandering through the bustling streets of Tokyo, where ancient tradition meets cutting-edge technology. Every corner of this earth holds a story, a secret, waiting just for us to discover. Here at TBS Global Travel, we don't just visit places. We dive deep into the heart of each destination. We connect with locals, try authentic cuisines, and embrace all the culture and traditions. It's not just about seeing the world, but feeling it, understanding it. Whether it's the serene beaches of the Maldives or the vibrant markets of Marrakech, every video on our channel is a portal to a new adventure. We're here to inspire you, to motivate you to pack your bags, grab your passport, and join us on this incredible journey. So why travel with TBS Global Travel? Because we believe in more than just traveling. We believe in transforming. Every trip is a chance to grow, to change, to become a part of something bigger than ourselves, and we want you to experience it all right here with us. Subscribe and turn on notifications because we've got a whole world to explore together. Let's make every journey unforgettable. Ready to travel the world? Let's go! Thank you for tuning in. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring with TBS Global Travel. See you in the next video.